1 Minute English. In this 1 minute lesson, we are going to have a look at some different meanings for turn in. Turn in means to move inwards. For example, if you want to go faster, turn in your skis. Turn in also means to give an assignment to an authority. We usually use it for school or university. For example, the student had a week to turn in his essay. Turn in can also mean to tell the police about a criminal. For example, Ben didn't want to run anymore and turned himself in. Give it a go. Try making a sentence using turn in and leave it in the comments below.